What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode, I will teach you how to remove your label location on Google Maps. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. First, go to your Google Map and click these three lines right here on the top left, and after that, go to Save right here. After click Save, you can now choose your labeled location right here. Just go to Labeled, and you can now set your home address or work address. You can now label it. So I'm going to choose a location, random location. Okay, another, okay, right here. So after I labeled it, in order to delete it, I'm just going to click this three dot right here on the left and the right, and just remove address. That's it. And also you can do it to your favorites, travel plans, etc. If you label them, then you can easily remove them. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.